Madam Chair, the authority is going to be administering billions and billions of dollars of expenditure, much of which will be borrowed from international partners and repayable with interest. It is necessary that the Chief Executive Officer has to report to a body that can give effective oversight over how that person is conducting the affairs of the authority, and all the more in the low trust environment that exists in Jamaica. And my proposed amendments address that issue and reinforce the need for it, and also are not inconsistent in any way with the body operating an efficient and business-like way. Every corporation in this country operates with a board. Every body corporate in Jamaica, public sector or private sector, operates with a board. Are you telling me that private businesses can't run efficiently because the CEO has to report to a board? To the contrary, it enhances the efficiency to have effective oversight of the body and management thereof. You are the one, Prime Minister, who misunderstands how organizations should be managed.